We repair all kinds of HDMI ports, PlayStation 5 HDMI ports, Series X HDMI ports, Tuner HDMI ports, PlayStation 4 HDMI ports, Xbox One S HDMI ports, the Series S HDMI ports, the Xbox One X HDMI ports, the PlayStation Pro and Slim HDMI ports, the TV receiver HDMI ports, Sony and Samsung receiver HDMI ports. We do laptop HDMI ports, more laptop HDMI ports, Asus, Acer, Sony, HP, Dell HDMI ports. We have HDMI port extension hacks, do HDMI chip replacements, whether you have a PlayStation, Xbox, or laptop with an HDMI port, we'll fix it. This is how many HDMI ports we fixed in the last week.